Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video we're going to be doing an absolutely massive beauty haul. Whenever I ask you what you want to see on YouTube, the top answer is always give us the hauls, give us the beauty hauls, the makeup hauls, anything that I've been buying. So I did ask whether you guys want to see PR or just things that I've been buying, and it was a mixture of both. So I've got loads of bits that I've been buying at the minute, loads of pamper products, a few Christmas gift inspiration ideas, and I've also got a few little PR bits as well. I've got my tea in my Christmas mug because it's not too early, okay? It's really not too early. So let's start with things that I've been buying myself. I'm so excited about these products. This one actually came this morning, and when I tell you I've never checked out so fast for a product in my life. Like, I saw the email, I checked out, Apple Pay, it was done. I didn't even really fully absorb what I was buying. It's actually some goodies from Vive. These are from the Bath Leisure collection. Now, I am a bath gal. I love my pamper sessions, I love my bubble baths, I love slathering myself in body creams, oils, scrubs, everything like that. Like, I actually live for it. It's one of my favourite activities. If you can kind of call it a hobby, I would love to call it a hobby. The reason that I was so quick to buy these products is that in the description of them they said pregnancy safe, which, don't get me wrong, the Sanex Zero has been fine, but it's just not doing bits for me. I really do love my luxury body washes, bubble baths. They're just kind of like what makes my day better and like what I spend my money on. I don't really do a lot of like hobbies, social activities. I'm not a big drinker, obviously pregnant, so not drinking anyway, but I need something to spend my money on, and what I spend my money on is luxury bath products. Anything that just smells good, you know. I just So this is the Vive Bath and Body Soak, a luxurious and nourishing gel to cleanse and soothe the skin. And this is a huge bottle as well. This is 500 ml, so totally worth it in my opinion. How gorgeous is this going to look in my bathroom as well? Like, I'm obsessed. Guys, the smell of this, like, when I got this, the first thing that I did was smell it. It smells like everything that I want my bath to smell like. It's neroli, amber and santal, so it's like really warm. It's definitely like a cozy scent. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to have a bath with something other than Sanex Zero tonight. I'm so excited. And then from the same range I also picked up the Vive Bath Body and Massage Oil. So again, this is the same scent, neroli, amber and santal. I love slathering my whole body in like an oil and putting clean pajamas on, pillow spray, getting in bed, candle on, reading my book, cup of tea. Oh, it's such a vibe. Like, I am genuinely one of those people who can put the thickest cream on my body, put pajamas on, and then I just love that feeling. I know some people really hate it, but I genuinely do love it. Just feeling those like clean vibes. I love it so much. I also have bath salts, a candle and a robe in the collection as well, but I just got these two to try out. These are going to see me through my third trimester. I've only got a matter of weeks now before baby arrives, so these are definitely my little treats to myself to get me through these last few weeks. I did also pick up a couple of bits from Sephora. I've thrown the box away and I've thrown all the packaging away for most of the products, but I thought I would let you know what I got anyway, because I've not really mentioned it anywhere. I think I mentioned it on my Instagram story maybe like once. I got this Sephora retractable brow pencil. I don't know if you can even see it, it's literally tiny. And I've been using it ever since I got it. Obviously, both of the lids have gone from either end. As soon as I get a brow pencil, that's the first thing I do. The lids go off and that's it. This is the shade Chocolate Brown. I'm wearing it through my brows right now, and I actually love this brow pencil so much. I actually ran out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I just thought I'd get another one just to kind of see me through. I thought I'd try this one. It seemed to be something quite similar, and guys, this is so good and so affordable. Really nice. 10 out of 10, recommend. I also picked up the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade of Virtue. I'm not wearing this on my skin right now. I did wear this in my last YouTube video, so if you haven't seen me use this, then go and check it out. It's a beautiful shade. It's kind of like my everyday blush shade, like a corally warm tone colour. It's really nice. Again, I've thrown the box away because I did this order ages ago, but I just thought I'd show you some bits that I've been buying. And then I also bought the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. This is a medium 17. So I bought this because everybody says this is the best foundation ever. I actually did try it on my hands in Harrods and it feels so beautiful. It's so thin and smooth. I was like, I need to get this, I need to order it. But when I tried it, I don't think I was that keen. It just didn't have enough coverage for me. Do you know sometimes when you have a foundation, it kind of blends into nothing? I know some people love that, so if you like that kind of vibe, you will love this. But I feel like as soon as I tried it, I thought, do you know what? This will be beautiful mixed with something else. So like today I've mixed this one and my Maybelline Skin Tint together, and that is what I'm wearing on my skin right now, and I absolutely love this mixed in with my other foundations. I've mixed it with Makeup Forever, I've mixed it with MAC, and I'm obsessed. So I feel like this is a really good mixing foundation for me, but I'm not too keen on it on its own. I think it's a really good foundation and a really good product, but it's just personal preference for me. Like, I like a little bit more coverage, but truly beautiful. Okay, I have the biggest Lookfantastic order ever. This is full of like my favourites, top up products, and also like Christmas gift inspiration. I feel like this is what the theme of this haul is. So we're going to go through everything that I got. So as you guys know, I've worked with Lookfantastic for about 3 years now, and I really love working with them. I've got a really good relationship with them. I love the team so much, and I just love Lookfantastic so much. Like, whenever I need beauty products, I always shop on there. I just feel like they've got everything I need. All my favourites on there. It's just my beauty one-stop shop. And when it gets to this time of year, I'm always checking on the Christmas tab because they just have such good Christmas gifts, and the Christmas gifts this year is so insane. So I thought I'd pick up a few. Some I might gift to people, some I might keep for myself, because they're just that good this year. So the first thing that I got is this Way gift set. So Way is a beautiful hair brand. In this set you actually get the scalp and body scrub, the detox shampoo, and the hair oil, and I do feel like the sizes are quite generous as well. I did actually use all of the products in this set for my hair wash day this morning. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have probably seen this already feature on my page because I am uploading my hair tutorial on Thursday. You'll be seeing this video Sunday, so you know. Scalp and body scrub is a really decent size. The smell of this, by the way, oh my goodness, it smells like I'm transported to a beach. Absolutely gorgeous. The detox shampoo, if you struggle with your hair going greasy really fast, or if you have a lot of like product build-up in your scalp, this is a really good shampoo for getting that out. I have used this before when I had a little bit of product build-up maybe a few months ago. I had a little sample of the detox shampoo and I thought, whoa, this shampoo is really good. So that's the reason why I picked this up as well. And then again, the Way hair oil, I've had this before, I really like it. So I feel like this gift set was actually really worth it for me because I genuinely love all three of these products. Like, such good value for money. I'll leave all the links to the products and everything that I'm talking about in the description box as well, in case you guys want to check out any of these products. The next thing that I got from Lookfantastic is this Rodial at Home Facial Edit. So this has loads and loads of sheet masks in it, which I just need that right now. Do you know what I mean? You get the Pink Diamond Lifting Face Mask. You get the Snake Oxygenating Cleansing Bubble Mask. You also get Energizing Vitamin C Face Mask. I've had this before, absolutely insane. The Vitamin C range from Rodial is just like another level. The pads for the skin, wow. And then you get the Bee Venom Jelly Eye Patches, and you also get the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. So you get 5 sheet masks in there, and it's a really good price. Again, my code works with pretty much all of these products, so you can get a bit of extra discount as well. But I just thought, if you have a beauty lover in your life, this is such a good gift, and it is under £20 as well with my code, which I feel like is absolutely amazing. Say it's a luxury brand. So yeah, I just thought I'd pick one of these up for a little pamper session. As you can see, I don't really have much to do these days apart from pamper myself, have a bath, fake tan, wash my hair, repeat. Next thing that I got from Lookfantastic, this Miley Gel Polish Duo. You get 2 shades in this. You get this deep shade and also like a creamy off-white. This is the shade that is on my nails right now. I've been doing my own nails since COVID, actually. 3 years I've been doing my own nails. And this is that deep shade that comes in this set. I'll just give you a little bit of a close-up just so you can see. But yeah, obsessed, love it. This next gift I'm absolutely obsessed with. I will be keeping this for myself, thank you very much. This is the Tom Ford Private Blend sampler set. So it's a little set like this. I think it's around £40. There is another one which is like 20 something pounds, and it's full of like Tom Ford samples. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I can get loads out of like one little sample of perfume, especially when it's something really, really strong like this. So in this one, you get 5 of their iconic private blend scents. So you get Lost Cherry, Tobacco Vanille, which is one of my all-time favourites, Soleil Blanc, which again, beautiful, summer, amazing. You get Oud Wood and Rose Prick. But yeah, they all come in a little set like this, and I feel like this is so good if you want to try perfumes out before you commit to buying them. I feel like sometimes you really do have to wear a perfume round all day to see how it wears on the skin, give it time to settle down. Yeah, I thought this was a good way for me to not only pick up a few of my favourites from Tom Ford, but also try some new ones as well. So yeah, I just thought, what a great gift. Get this on your Christmas list this year. It is absolutely unbelievable. I will link the other one that's like £20 as well, and that's got some really beautiful ones in there too. So yeah, there's 2 available, and they keep coming in and out of stock. So if they're not in stock, keep an eye out, save it to your wish list, and you'll get an email when it comes back in. But they do keep coming in and out of stock. I have been checking. When I saw this next one on the website, I had to get it. I had it last year, and it was a vibe. Like, oh, I cannot even tell you how much I love this product. This is the Neon Christmas Wish candle. This scent is bringing me 2022 Christmas vibes. Like, it's taking me back to last Christmas. Oh, the smell of this. It's like orange. What's it got? Orange, mandarin, cinnamon and tonka bean. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love that they've upgraded the packaging this year. Last year it had like a red inside, whereas this year it's just all white with the gold label, and I much prefer that because I feel like it goes in like a neutral home. Do you know what I mean? Like, look behind me. That would just really go. Do you know what I mean? It is just absolutely another level. Like, run, don't walk. It is so gorgeous, that candle. Then we have the Neon Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Mist. This is my favourite pillow mist. I've just finished a bottle, so I restocked because it's my favourite. Sleep is quite scarce at the minute, so whatever dew sleep I have, I try and make like a full routine out of it. Like I say, have my bath, spray my full bed with the pillow spray, clean pyjamas, clean sheets, fluffed up pillows, cup of tea, my book, and just make sure I'm slathered in like body cream just so I have some sort of comfort when I go to bed. But yeah, this is the size of the bottle. It's very, very strong, so you only need a little bit, but it's so, so beautiful, and I genuinely do believe that this helps me sleep better. I don't know whether it's placebo or what, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then last but not least, from Lookfantastic, I picked up my go-to shampoo and conditioner. This is the Grow Gorgeous Volume shampoo and conditioner duo. I have been using this all year. It's pretty much all that I use now. It's my go-to. I do like the Way Detox one when I feel like I need a refresh, but honestly this just gets your hair so clean. I don't know how this shampoo does it, but it just makes your hair huge, like massive. I don't know how they do it, but it just does. And it's good for growing your hair as well. It's got rice protein in there, it's got caffeine. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I do feel like this is quite reasonably priced as well. It's not as expensive as like your Olaplex and things like that, but it is really, really good, especially if you are looking to grow your hair or you want a bit more volume. This is my favourite duo. So that's everything that I got from Lookfantastic. Let's move over to some PR bits. So I actually haven't even unboxed this goodie bag yet because I've been saving it for some sort of haul, but I did go to a Harrods Beauty event at the beginning of last month. It was like a month ago, and we got a little goodie bag and you got to pick out your goodie bag bits. So I thought I'd show you what I picked out. Oh my goodness, I've just found something that I bought from Superdrug as well. Okay, this was not PR, but I actually bought this and I forgot that I bought this. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand in the shade Blush. I saw my friend Helen use these over on her Instagram and they looked absolutely unbelievable on her, so I really needed to pick one up. And I forgot that I bought that. First thing that I picked up in my goodie bag was the Maison Francis Kurkdjian de Jeanne, like, perfume samples. You get 3 in there. One of them is in my bag downstairs. You get Baccarat Rouge, you get Amoureuse, and you get Aqua Universalis. So you just get 3 in there like that. Super cute. I love a perfume sample. I like perfume in any form. I like huge bottles, I like smaller bottles, I like samples, I like travel sizes, I like miniatures. I love fragrance in all its forms. Just give me the fragrance, I just love it. I also picked up the Rhodial eye cream. This is the Bee Venom one. I'm currently using the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango one. That is my all-time favourite eye cream. It's just absolutely insane. But I thought we could try another one. I got a little Elemis Pro Collagen Marine cream because you can never have enough Elemis. I got a mini Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I also got this little gloss from Pat McGrath. Should we try this? Nude Venus, this is called. I haven't tried this, so we're trying it for the first time. Oh my god. Why is that gorgeous? Oh my god, guys, that's actually 10 out of 10. Wow, it smells insane as well. It smells like vanilla, but not like a cheap vanilla, like an expensive vanilla. Wow, I actually love the way that looks. It feels really comfortable as well. Really lightweight. Doesn't feel sticky. This could be a new fave. Also, I love this shade, like this kind of like pinky nude. What a vibe. But yeah, those are the things that I got from Huda Beauty and Superdrug. So this next one arrived on my doorstep earlier this week, and I am honestly so grateful. This is the GHD Glide Smoothing Hot Brush. I already have this and I do genuinely love it. It's like so easy to use, but I think this is their limited edition Christmas one, which the packaging on this is insane. Also, I don't know how I've ended up getting GHD PR. Like, to me that's really special because I have been using GHD since I was about 11, 12. So that's like years and years and years, and I always have my GHDs for honestly years. The straighteners that I've got now, I bought those when I was 20. The ones that I had before that were the straighteners that I had since I was 11. Yeah, literally last so well. So this limited edition one comes in this absolutely gorgeous velvet box, and you can see that it's got the hot brush inside. You can use this for straightening or for curling. I haven't tried it curling yet, maybe I should do that. But yeah, it's just this little hot brush. You plug it in, it's super easy to use, it's the easiest thing in the world. But wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at that blue and that pink together. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, we have this collection from Huda Beauty that they sent over. This is their new Pretty Grunge collection. I have had a sneak peek of this and I've shown it on my Instagram and stuff like that, but I just thought I'd give you a little bit of an in-depth because there is quite a few products in here. So they've sent over a choker, a little necklace. Do you remember when everybody used to wear these like 10 years ago? Then we have the Grunge Lip Duo. So I think this is a matte black liquid lipstick with a black balm. I feel like some people can really pull off a black lip. Like, just certain people look so good with a black lip. I don't, unfortunately. I wish I did because it's so cool and I just love the way it looks. But this is so cool because I feel like people have always been using like eyeliners and stuff like that. So I feel like this is really cool. We also have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Nocturnal, which I'm assuming is the black lip liner. And then we have the Creamy Kohl Eye Pencil in Very Fanta Extreme Black, which I already have. Then we have the Pretty Grunge Blush Gloss. It activates with the pH of your skin, and you can apply it on top of skincare or makeup to add a dewy custom colour to your cheek and lips. How cool is that? This is the star of the show for me, to be honest. This palette, when I opened this, I was like, oh my goodness, get this on my eyes. I'm actually going to use it tomorrow. I'm going to film like a little tutorial, I think, over on my Instagram. Look how stunning. I mean, this doesn't even do it justice what I can see on camera right now, like in real life. It just looks insane. Like the greys and the browns, the shimmers, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Like if you love cool tones like me, this is just another level. I think it's so beautiful. Okay guys, so that's everything that I've been buying, all the bits I've got in PR, a few little Christmas gift inspiration bits in there, all my Pamper essentials obviously. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I am off to purchase a full size version of this Pat McGrath gloss because wow, I'm obsessed. It was so nice to chill out with you all today. I hope you're all having a lovely day. I love you all so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.